Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to another unboxing and review video. Actually, this one's actually sponsored, so I just thought I'd let you guys know. So the product that we're reviewing is the ikiwi magnetic easy winding USB cable, and what makes this one special is that it's got this magnetic node feature that we'll look into, but hopefully it'll help you keep your wires untangled. Some of the other features include strong and durable soft silicone outer cover. It does the charging and also transfer, and of course it's meant to be easy to store and carry. And I've got the red 1.2 meter version. So without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. So in terms of what's in the box, it's actually pretty simple. It literally comes out and it's the product alone. There's no unnecessary stickers or whatever, instruction manuals, because it's literally the cable. So if you don't know how to use a cable, you've got to do some soul searching. So it's pretty cool. I mean, like, you can see how it's the magnets are quite strong, so they click into place. Yeah, I mean, let's just see how, if will it go back in place. Okay, so let me get this out of the way first. So I mean, if I uncoil it and I guess it still needs a bit of organizing. So it does help a little to have these magnets, but yeah. So that'll go back in place like that. Ta-da. But I guess for me, I was expecting more of a automatic thing, but I guess my expectations are pretty high. So in terms of fit for purpose, before I say anything, actually, I better try it. So I'm gonna actually go use this on my phone. Give me a sec. So I've got the cable plugged into my computer, and I'll just plug it in and see. Unlock phone to use accessory. Oh, so as you can see, it's prompting me to allow for transfer of data, which is good. So I'm just going to go on my computer. My computer has detected that's an iPhone, and I can access all my photos and stuff. Great. So in terms of fit for purpose, it's definitely 10 out of 10 for function as advertised. The quality is surprisingly well built. I mean, it's silicone thing is really soft, and I can't really get underneath the it's actually quite hard to get underneath the silicone to have a look at the cable, but the cable seems pretty durable as well. Let me just unplug this again. And I guess also the durability issue is usually around the connectors, which seems pretty good around here. So that's another bonus. So in terms of value for money, this product's actually 30 New Zealand dollars, and for a 1 meter Apple cable, it costs $35. So So it is $5 cheaper, and I feel like the quality and also the durability will outlast the Apple cables, because I've gone through quite a few of them, and yeah, this one actually feels like it'll last for at least a year or so, whereas I go through my Apple cables. So I mean, in terms of aesthetic wise, it actually looks pretty cool. I mean, there's no LED lights or anything, but that's probably a good thing, so it doesn't distract you. And yeah, and it does have these magnetic things that I don't know if I would end up using this feature as often, because I probably don't have the time to coil it all the way up. But I think actually I might keep it like this, just halfway, because it still minimizes the size of it, I guess. And then maybe it'll click like that. So I might just keep it like that instead of the winding it all the way up, because yeah, I just don't have enough time. So just a word from the sponsor OmniTech. They are having these loyal cards. So it's similar to a hop card where you top up money into it and you use it to buy stuff in their store. But by doing this, you get 20% off their merchandise. So I guess why not if you're going to buy something, right? So make sure you sign up to that. So I guess that wraps up the review video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm aiming for that 1,000. So yeah, all good. Peace out.